Welcome everyone. Through this video, today I will discuss some typical but simple problems of derivative. So, I suppose you have the basic knowledge of derivative. So, look, y equals to sine 2x degree, cos 2x degree, tan x by 3 degree. So we know derivative of sin x is cos x when x is measured in radian. But look here x is not measured in radian, it is measured in degree. So for example, suppose y equals to sine x degree. So we know derivative of sine x radian. It is not mentioned that x is measured in radian. Here it is mentioned in degree. So we have to change degree in terms of radian. We know 180 degree equals to pi radian. So what is x degree? X degree equals to pi x by 180 radian. So this is relation of converting degree into radian. So since it is given in degree, we have to change x degree in terms of radian. So y equals to sine pi x by 180 radian. So you may take this symbol of radian, otherwise we suppose that it is given in radian. So what is dy by dx? So derivative of sine is cos pi x by 180. So sine ax, this is our working tool. So what is dy dx? Cos ax into a coefficient of x. That is, if it is linear, cos ax into coefficient of x. Or you can say cos ax into derivative of ax. So a cos ax. So use this relation. Sin pi x by 180 derivative dy by dx with respect to x cos pi x by 180 into coefficient of x pi by 180. It is linear, so coefficient of x. Otherwise, you take derivative of pi x by 180. So finally what we are getting, pi by 180 into cos x degree. Since given function is in terms of degree, so you write derivative in terms of degree again. So what is derivative of sin x degree? So derivative of sin x degree is pi by 180 into cos x degree. So this is our basic idea. So dy by dx. So cos x degree into pi by 180. So you should remember derivative of sin x degree is not cos x degree. It is cos x degree into pi by 180. So you get pi by 180 into this. Similarly, if y equals to tan x degree, so what is derivative? Dy by dx. Derivative of tan x is sec square x degree, and you have to multiply it by pi by 180. So this is our basic concept. So if it is y equals to, suppose cos x by 2 degree, so what is derivative? Dy by dx equals to sine x by 2 degree. So this is x by 2 degree into pi by 180 into half. You should remember x by 2. So if it is x pi by 180, derivative of x by 2 is half. So finally it is pi by 360 into sine x by 2 degree. So what is our basic concept? Derivative of degree is sin x degree is cos x degree into pi by 180. So into coefficient of x is 1, that is why it is pi by 180. If it is x by 2, half into pi 1 by 80. So we use this concept. So derivative of sin x is cos x when x is measured in radian. It is not mentioned. But if it is mentioned in terms of degree, so look, y equals to sin 2x degree, cos x by 2 degree, then tan x by 3 degree. So derivative with respect to x, dy by dx. Now derivative of sin 2x. So this is cos 2x degree, sin 2x degree. So 2x degree. So pi by 180 into 2 also, because it is 2. So finally this is pi by 90. And this one is minus sin x by 2 degree. Derivative of trigonometric function starting with c, you know it is minus, into pi by 180 into half, because pi by 180 always multiplied, coefficient of x is half, and tan x, this is sec square x by 3 degree, 1 by 3 into pi by 180. So finally what we are getting, pi by 90 into cos 2x degree minus pi by 360 into sin x by 2 degree. This is 1 by 540 into sec square x by 3 degree. This is our basic concept. So this is problem number 1. So to be noted, derivative of sin x degree is pi by 180 into cos degree. Similarly for other trigonometric function. Now this is our problem number 1. Now problem number 2. These are basic problem of class 11. So y equals to log x base 10, log 10 base x, log x base x, log 10 base 10. Now what is our basic concept? Try to recall. Y equals to log x base e. So in physics and chemistry, log means base is 10. But in mathematics, whether it is ln or log, we take base as e. Unless otherwise stated, we suppose base is e, if it is written in terms of log also. So what is our basic concept? Y equals to log x base e. So dy by dx, derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now, what is derivative of log ax base e? So, look, dy by dx, 1 by ax into coefficient of x, that is a. So, 1 by x. So, derivative of log x also 1 by x. You do not suppose that this is 1 by ax. So, this is also 1 by x. Derivative of log x by 2, any linear function. So, sorry, not any linear, if it is ax plus b log, then dy by dx equals to 1 by ax plus b into coefficient of a. So, this one. But if this b is plus b is absent, log ax, then it is 1 by x. Log 2x, 1 by x. log x by 2, 1 by x, log 3x, 1 by x. So we know this one. Now listen, if base is not e, log x, suppose base is a. So then derivative, what is the derivative of log x? So by property of log, we can write it log x by log a with any base. So we suppose base is e. Now this one by log a is constant. So what is derivative? dy by dx equals to 1 by log a base e into d dx of log x. So 1 by log a base e into 1 by x. And you know also, if it is taken in numerator, then it will be log e base a. Log e base a. So derivative of log x base a is 1 by x into 1 by log a, or 1 by x into log e base a. So you have to remember, derivative of log x not with base e is 1 by x into log e with the base of same base a, if it is a. Now look, in general it is given in log e. So if you put a equals to e, this is 1, so 1 by x. So this is our basic concept. So what is our result? Derivative of log x base a equals to 1 by x into log e base a. So this is our basic concept. Now problem number 2. Y equals to log x base 10, log 10 base x, log x base x, log 10 base 10. You know, before performing derivative, you must simplify if possible. Otherwise, it will be lengthy. It should always remember. So you simplify. So we know derivative of log x. Now here base is x. So in this case, so suppose this one is unchanged, and this is log 10 by log x with base e, and this is 1, this is also 1, this is also 1. Now this is log x base 10, log 10 base e into log x base e whole to the power minus 1 plus 2. So this is our simplified form. Now look, dy by dx. So here base is 10, not e. So 1 by x multiplied by log e base 10. So y equals to log x base a. So what is dy dx? 1 by x log e base a. So this one. Now log 10 base e, this is constant, and derivative of this is minus 1, come forward. Base is e, so log x whole to the power minus 2 d dx of log x base e by derivative of composite function. By the rule of derivative of composite function or function of function, minus 1 come forward, derivative so power diminished by 1. So log x to the power minus 2, then d dx of argument, and derivative of 2 is 0. So finally what you are getting, log e base 10, this one is minus log 10 base e, 1 by log x base e whole square into 1 by x, into 1 by x. So basic concept is this one. So look again, this one, base is at the base is x, not constant. In this case, we use property of log. Then power, it is log x to the power minus 1. Or you can also differentiate this. Look, if base is